You join us for another video. As you can tell from the title of this one, we're playing with some ferrets. We've got a turret to come off the MK4 big wheeler, and we take the little MK2 ferret over the wash bay and start needle gunning, wire brushing and washing the hullo. But here she comes. Anyone that comes to the museum will know she's one of the 3 vehicles that you can climb inside once you get here. There she is. Yeah, you'll know! Right then, I'll show you the big wheeler ferret. Right then, so, as we come back in, this is big wheeler ferret. As far as I'm aware, she's one of the only ones in the country that runs and goes as she should. So Lewis this afternoon has unbolted a lot of stuff out of the driver's compartment, and well, crew compartment. She developed an oil leak on the braking system. Since then we've replaced the servo and the master cylinder and a couple of the pipes. So we're kind of stripping it out to get to the mess. As you can see, it's just mank. The rest of the hull is fine, as you'll see. We just want to clean it up and get it back to the level it should be at. So first job is we're going to lift the turret off. We'll drive it out. Good, running. So double try that hole, isn't it? There we are. Outside, just have a look. So she's now on the way outside. We'll unload all the stuff that came out of her earlier into some pallets. Let's lift the turret off. Yeah, these B-series engines run so smoothly. So she's got the B60, which is the 6-cylinder version of the B80 engine that was in the Salden we just drove outside. Is that low? It's not moved. No, it's not moved. Keep going. Bit off. Yeah. We'll put it on that pallet, don't we? Yes. Do we quickly chuck everything off them then? Yeah. So this is our MK2 ferret. OOCC20 is her reg. It's a little off, but that is what it is. And she's currently not far from a bare hull. The plan with this one is obviously get it running, and she's hopefully going to be one of the shiniest ferrets out there. Picked it up on the front. We might have gotten the forklift stuck and had to pull it out with the big wheeler, but that's a video for another time, maybe. That's alright, that went further on. And
Yeah.
Don't know how well you can hear us with Millie running, but stuff's got a little drastic, and we've just prepped her for an engine lift. The sunlight is awful, but everything's disconnected, ready to lift. There's a few extra bits to get off on the Mark 4 so you can get in and get the rear armour off. Lewis is just getting ready to put the lifting eyes on the bell housing. Let me see what he's up to. But I'll stick it on the tripod and we'll just lift it out. Halfway through the lift, and now taking off the mounts. I'll come around here and show you. So you undo the mount here using this is working on currently, just to help it through the hole. Engine removed. It's on a pallet ready to go in the workshop. Not too bad at all. Certainly a lot harder to do on a Mark 4 Ferret, where she's got these gussets and the raised engine decks, which aren't there on a normal Mark 2. So, but come out relatively easy, no drama, as you saw in the video. Gives a chance to give us a good wash. Strangely, I found a 10mm socket under the engine. Anyone who knows that there's nothing 10mm on a Ferret, just where he's been hiding. But yeah, got them on this gusset saw. So we'll get it back over the wash bay and give it a good clean out. So, it's getting a bit dark now, so I don't know how well you can see. Most of them are either going on one Ferret. The other Ferret's currently up in the air, receiving a much needed washout. I'm going to have the BV down to do a robo swap on that. All systems go. Right then, well that's the end of this video. In the next part, we're going to take the generator off the engine and do some preventative maintenance and stuff like that. So I'll turn you around. So the power pack's been out for a wash. I suspect, and I could be wrong, but our fluid flywheel has got hot. All the paint's burnt off the housing. So we'll pull the gearbox off and rebuild the fluid flywheel. We would anyway, if you got one of these engines out, the power unit's out of a Ferret or saddle and Saracen, that sort of thing. It's best to do the fluid flywheel seal while you're out, while it's out. There were a couple of jobs to do to the engine, is just paint it really. There was no leaks. There was nothing untoward that way. Chuck a new set of belts on, replace all the radiator hoses, and chase the charging issue with the generator. But they're like buses at the minute around here, B60 power units. Here is another one. This is out of the Mark II Ferret. She runs, but not on her own carburettor. Bit sat for 15 years not starting, so there's no surprise there, so we'll do the carburettor. And again, she's out for a major. There's several oil leaks and weeps and stuff on this one, so she's having a fair bit more work done to her. But we're getting there on that. I'll take you outside to the Ferret. So the Mark II out here. Some of the guys yesterday started the needle gunning of this one. It's not coming up too badly at all. And the Mark IV still sits over here, over the wash bay. It was getting dark as we finished washing this out last night, so it wants another wash in daylight. Well, I'll get that done in a minute. We'll get the inside of this finished and tidied up. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Awesome.